He that is giddy thinks the world turns round. Lawless are they that make their wills their law. No, I will be the pattern of all patience. I will say nothing. Oh, for a muse of fire that would ascend the brightest heaven of invention. Things done well and with a care exempt themselves from fear. How poor are they that have not patience? What wound did ever heal but by degrees? Go to you bosom, knock there, and ask your heart what it doth know. Use every man after his desert, and who should 'scape whipping. But if it be a sin to covet honor, I am the most offending soul alive. Words without thoughts never to heaven go. Let every eye negotiate for itself, and trust no agent. Words, words, mere words, no matter from the heart. Speak low, if you speak love. Give me my robe, put on my crown. I have immortal longings in me. I say there is no darkness, but ignorance. Maids want nothing but husbands, and when they have them, they want everything. I were better to be eaten to death with a rust than to be scored to nothing with perpetual motion. The love of heaven makes one heavenly. O God, how weary, stale, flat, and unprofitable seem to me all the uses of this world. In time we hate that which we often fear. Now, God be praised, that to believing souls gives light in darkness, comfort in despair. He that loves to be flattered is worthy of a flatterer. Uneasy lies the head that wears a crown. It will have blood, they say. Blood will have blood. Many a good hanging prevents a bad marriage. The lunatic, the lover, and the poet are of imagination all compact. 'Tis best to weigh the enemy more mighty than he seems. How oft the sight of means to do ill deeds makes ill deeds done. I will praise any man that will praise me. Come, gentlemen, I hope we shall drink down all unkindness. Is it not strange that desire should so many years outlie performance? There have been many great men that have flattered the people who near loved them. Nature hath framed strange fellows in her time. Nothing can come of nothing. If you can look into the seeds of time, and say which grain will grow, and which will not, speak then unto me. We are time's subjects, and time bids be gone. Men shut their doors against a setting sun. Life every man holds dear, but the dear man holds honor far more precious dear than life. Alas, I am a woman friendless, hopeless. Oh, what a goodly outside falsehood hath. I must be cruel only to be kind. Desire of having is the sin of covetousness. Neither a borrower nor a lender be. If we are marked to die, we are enough to do our country loss, and if to live, the fewer men, the greater share of honor.